Nobody told you this about money, and that's exactly why most people stay broke for years without even realizing it. Hey there, I'm Coco the Coconut, and today I'm going to show you the truth about building wealth that nobody explains properly. You were taught to save money, avoid spending, and work hard, but nobody actually taught you how money grows or how wealth is really built. The truth is, saving alone will never make you rich, because money doesn't grow by sitting still, Tamil. It grows when it's working. Most people spend years working for money, but never take time to learn how to make money work for them. And that's where they lose. And the longer you wait to understand this, the harder life becomes, because time is either your biggest advantage or your biggest enemy. So start now, learn, build, invest early, because the people who win with money didn't wait. I'll see you on Coco's Learns.